Lagos, hello Nigeria, good morning. It's a beautiful day and today we're doing a review of the Lagos State Blue Line Rail train terminal here in Marina. You guys sit back, sit tight, we're about to take you on a ride. Enjoy, come on. So right here you have the entrance. There's the escalator, you can decide to take the stairs. If you want to come with me, let's... And as we go up, you see the first board that you see is for tickets and inquiry. So we're going right to the ticket office. And yeah, let's go. So right there, up ahead, is a ticket office. That's where if you need to buy a new Cowry Card, you get a new Cowry Card. You need to top up your Cowry Card, you top up your Cowry Card. Hello, good morning. So right here is where you need to get your Cowry Card, top up your Cowry Card. All right, so right here, this office here is where you come to if you have any issues with your Cowry Card. We have our customer care agents, our customer support, customer experience agents right here. And this way you talk to them if you have any issues with your card. So now I'm going to check my balance on the validator. So what I just need to do is tap my card, click on check balance, and then it just shows my balance. All right, so right now I'm trying to board the train with my Cowry app. If you know how to go about it, you know that you click on rail, you click on it's generating, you click on the terminal, and then so we know when the next train is leaving. It's leaving by 1:35 p.m. and it's 1:28, so we have about 7-8 minutes thereabouts. So we generate the tickets. So we're trying to board through gate B01. So we look for the gate B01 and we generate the ticket. But since we already have one ticket generated here, and then we scan the QR and then it allows. So now let's go and board the train. Yeehaw! So yeah, I'm on my way to the train. We're going through platform 1 and we are going to board the train. Let's go. Join me, yo. So this is on our way to board the train. The only access that you have to this platform is your Cowry Card. There's no way that you're getting here without your Cowry Card. At the end of the day, yeah, Lagos State has just made life easier for us. You know, with the whole thing with going around, the hustle of Lagos. If you're a Lagos boy like me, you always move around between the mainland, the island, everywhere you have to go. On this card, I bought the train. I can use it on the BRT buses. And yeah, so let's go and enter the train. Yeah. All right, so we're in the train right now, and I'm just going to walk you through some procedures on etiquette in the train. So right here you have the stops. Right now we are we're approaching National Theatre, and we just left Marina, we're approaching National Theatre on our way to my 2. And yeah, join me, come with me. So on the train, you do not drink or smoke on the train. We have emergency numbers around. In case there's any emergencies, you can call that. Then there's Cowry Wi-Fi on the train. It works. If you follow those 4 steps, you'll be able to connect to the Wi-Fi on the train. So there's ample space, comfortable enough to stand and to sit. Since it's a 25 minutes, it's just a 25-minute trip. It makes it very, very comfortable for you to stand. But whilst you're standing in the train, make sure that you're holding one of these handles just in case the momentum of the train changes. Now we're at Mile 2 station and people just boarded the train again. We're going all the way back to Marina. And yeah, it's about to be another exciting ride on the Lagos State Blue Line rail. Thank you.
Okay, with the Cowry Card, I really don't have a problem with it. I've been using it for like 1 year plus now. I started using it when BRT came to Barracks. So since then, I think I've been enjoying it in terms of time saving and in terms of transport fare. It's been enjoyable. Especially now that we are spending, Lagos State have decided to give us 50% of the transport fare. It's been enjoyable, time saving, money saving, all the same. And not like other public buses that probably you with your makeup, your dressing and whatever, before you get to the bus stop, you are like stressed up. But with this train, I think I'm enjoying the AC. My makeup is still intact. My dress is still neat. Nobody is asking me to shift, move, or move from one place to the other. I think it's been enjoyable.
So would you like to share with us what has been your experience so far?
Yeah, my experience is that it's very, very nice because this is not my first time and it's not my second time. So it's very nice because this is what we are experiencing in our Western world. We travel to Western world and thank God that they're extending it to our own country. So I really enjoy it. It's very, very nice.
We want to know, what's your experience with the Cowry Card and the Blue Line rail like?
Well, the Cowry Card has been very fantastic. It's fast. It was fast. I was able to load very fast. My transaction was very smooth. And I had to wait for the train. The seat in the train is very okay. Of course, we are enjoying AC. The atmosphere is cool. It's marvelous. The Cowry Card, I'm giving it a 10 over 10 for now. This is my first ride, so I may not be objective, but a 10 over 10.
All right, thank you very much, man. I feel like you've done the whole thing in one. You've done a review and the recommendation in one. Thank you very much for riding with us.
It was amazing. It was so smooth. It was so straight. I'm like, I didn't have to deal with the hassle and the bustle of Lagos. So it's like, I love it.
It shows Lagos State in a more beautiful light and landscape, and you can see how close Lagos is from one point to the other. And I believe my experience and more people experiencing this realize that you can actually plan your life with the time movements.
Exactly.